This is a complete, 6-hour-long agentic AI masterclass with LangGraph that will make you a pro LangGraph developer. It covers the difference between an AI agent and agentic AI, agent nodes and edges, and state schemas for stateful orchestration. We'll cover orchestration graphs, conditional nodes in LangGraph, tool binding with LLMs, and the React agent architecture. We'll also go through prompt chaining, the worker orchestrator framework, the generator evaluator architecture, adding a human-in-the-loop feature, and managing memory in LangGraph, and much more. The best part is that this course is made for total beginners. You don't need any prior experience, some basic Python knowledge is all you need. I've used amazing doodle graphics throughout the video so you can easily grasp every concept in detail, and I've provided all the notes, code files, and resources. In short, this is your one-stop solution to master LangGraph this year. I've put so much effort into this dedicated course, and I'm giving it away for free. It'll take you barely a second to hit the subscribe button, so just do it right now, and let's get started with this amazing LangGraph masterclass. So, what's up, my dear fam? Happy Sunday, finally. Thank you so much for the great response on my LangChain video. You kept saying, Ansh Lamba, just make a LangGraph video. So here it is, a complete zero to hero course on LangGraph. First, let me quickly address your questions. If you have some basic Python, you know how to write functions, run loops, and use if-else conditions, you can continue with this video. Second, even if you've never learned LangChain before and you are jumping straight into LangGraph, this video is still for you because I've covered everything from scratch. And if you already know LangChain, then it'll be like cherry on the cake. You already know the fundamentals, so you can work with LangGraph easily. LangGraph is built on top of LangChain, and it gives you much more control. Honestly, in the industry and in companies, we use LangGraph most of the time. We integrate LangChain with LangGraph, but when we want to build real solutions, we use LangGraph, and that's why you see it everywhere in the job descriptions. So I thought I need to help my lovely data family. If you are already part of it, welcome. If you are not, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now. Because you know what? We have amazing fun together, and we grow together. Now the questions are clear and the prerequisites are clear, so let's talk about the agenda, and it's very simple. I assume you have zero understanding of LangChain, LangGraph, or agentic AI, nothing, but you are a beginner who knows Python, functions, loops, and importing packages. If that's you, this course is perfect. Right now everyone is creating hype around agentic AI, but you need someone who can actually guide and teach you agentic AI properly. This video will help you learn agentic AI and how to build agentic pipelines in the industry, and after completing it, you will be a LangGraph developer from scratch. So let's get started.